back on Love for Food. आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. I simply love food. मुझे कैसे भी तरीके का खाना चलता है. But when I'm with you, I think I need to be a little health conscious. इसीलिए I'll take you to the healthy world with dietitian and health food experts. This is Mithun with us. Hi Mithun.
Hi Sapna.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
So Pinky girl, what exactly you want to show today on the show?
Today we'll make a recipe which is very high in calcium.
Okay.
For healthy bones, for healthy teeth, we need good source of calcium.
Right.
So why not have all the ingredients of a good calcium source in one dish?
Right.
So today we're going to make paneer tikka stir fry with methi leaves. I have used some paneer.
Okay.
You know paneer is very high in calcium. And I've used fresh methi leaves. And we are using ginger garlic paste. Again, ginger has a lot of medicinal properties.
Right.
It takes away pains again. Yeah. And we're using some chilies for flavor. Some black pepper and my usual favorite red bell pepper.
Bell peppers.
Okay. And I'm now first going to start with marinating the paneer.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're gonna marinate it for how long it takes?
It just takes about 10 minutes to marinate the paneer. I'm going to take some tikka masala. Yeah. So just about...
which is again readily available in the market.
It's easily available in the market. So I've just sprinkled some tikka masala.
Right.
And I'm going to take a little bit of yogurt. Just about.
So 1 tablespoon of yogurt?
Yes, just very
Two of
little.
them.
Yeah. And we need to just mix it. Most of the times the tikka masalas have a lot of salt in it. So I generally don't prefer adding any more salt.
Exactly.
You can taste and check if your tikka masala has salt.
Okay.
As long as the paneer coats the masala, I think it should be fine.
Right.
Now we're going to start with some oil. I've used sunflower oil. I prefer combinations of oils when I'm cooking. For instance, let's say if you're cooking this for dinner, use sunflower oil.
Okay.
Let's say you're cooking lunch, try making it with sesame oil or olive oil.
What's the idea behind that?
Sunflower oil is a good source of PUFA, that is
Okay.
polyunsaturated fatty acids. And olive oil and sesame oil, peanut oil is all MUFA, that is
Okay.
monounsaturated fatty
Is it?
acids.
Okay.
So a good combination is very important. It helps in lowering the cholesterol.
And also I've heard you should keep changing your oils. You
Right.
shouldn't stick to one particular oil.
That's what I said. You need to change the oil in a sense. In a day, you can have
Okay.
2-3 varieties of
Right.
oil. Okay, I've just added the onions. I'm going to saute it slightly
Okay.
till it gets
Onion
translucent.
gets a little
Yes,
crispy and
yes.
translucent.
Okay, in this I'm going to add some
Ginger garlic
garlic
Or is it
paste,
just-
very
okay.
little,
Okay.
for some flavor. And this is fresh chili paste.
Okay.
The fresh chili paste gives an amazing aroma and flavor. I like spicy food, so I have this habit of using chilies, chili flakes, black pepper everywhere.
So do I.
Now this looks pretty done.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to pour in the paneer.
The marinated paneer, which
marinated
takes hardly
paneer.
10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes,
and
while you're sauteing the onions, the marination is done.
Okay.
Now it's time to put the methi leaves. Just going to saute it.
So you need not cut methi leaves and put it.
In fact,
like
the
that?
stems are also very healthy
Okay.
and lots of fiber, lots of iron, so I don't waste anything.
So you put whole methi leaves inside.
Yes, absolutely.
Nice. So doesn't it give like a bitter taste to your tikka?
It does, but trust me, it's an acquired taste. If you
Okay.
enjoy methi, you love the bitterness. I'm going to put in some salt over it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Because we've already put in some tikka masala, which
Yes.
was salty again.
And a little black pepper, optional, up to you. I enjoy the taste of black pepper. Okay, remember, we don't have to overcook it. It has to be crunchy. Methi leaves can work as a good beauty aid also.
Really?
You just have to grind methi leaves in a blender and mix it with some yogurt and put it as a face pack. Instant glow.
That's your wonder tip that comes along with chef.
I'm adding the bell peppers. To see the colors. I love the combination of green and red.
Okay, I've always noticed that you believe in colors, is it?
Absolutely.
You love colors.
The more colorful the vegetables, the more antioxidants, the more carotenoids.
Right. And more glow on your face.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, this looks almost done.
Right.
Now I'm going to just top it with some yogurt.
Okay, you're gonna put some more yogurt to it.
That's it. Just a spoonful, just so that it can be little moist. Yeah. And
great.
we are done.
You done?
Absolutely. I'm going to plate this out. I love the aroma.
Exactly. Methi, bell peppers, onion, paneer, whole lot of things inside.
It's full of calcium.
किसके साथ खाया जा सकता है इसको?
I'm serving this with couscous.
Couscous. So what exactly couscous is?
Couscous is a kind of wheat. It's a Moroccan dish actually.
Okay.
All you need to do is just pour in some hot water and it's ready. So quick.
That's it?
Huh.
And it's made of
Wheat.
wheat.
Yeah,
So
broken
it's as
wheat.
good as
Eating chapati,
or
or
any
eating
wheat.
bread.
Exactly.
I'm going to plate this out.
Time to dish it out. Looks nice with couscous. I'm gonna have it for the first time. So ये couscous कोई specific जगह पे मिलता है? You get it everywhere.
कोई भी supermarket में मिल जाता है.
supermarket.
You get it in every supermarket.
Right.
So this dish is full of calcium. You've got
Healthy
methi in
dish.
it. You've got paneer in it.
Nice.
Bell peppers,
Methi.
ginger, garlic, and now couscous.
I know.
Simply healthylicious.
और मैं हो गई खुश.
Paneer tikka and methi stir fry. Ingredients: paneer 150 grams, tikka masala 2 tablespoons, sunflower oil 1 teaspoon, fresh chopped methi leaves 2 bunches, red bell pepper 1 sliced, low fat yogurt 1/4 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, fresh chili paste 1 teaspoon. Method: marinate the paneer cubes with 1 tablespoon of tikka masala and 1 heaped tablespoon of low fat yogurt. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat sunflower oil in pan and add onions and saute it till it gets translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and fresh chili paste and saute till fragrant. Add marinated paneer and saute. Now add the fresh methi leaves and some salt and pepper over it and toss and cook. Add bell peppers and toss again and top it with some yogurt in the end. Serve it with cooked couscous.
Thank you, Mithun, so much for this very wonderful, healthy recipe. This is high on calcium. And after eating this tikka masala, I'm a tikka masala girl. All right, then you keep watching and we'll be back with some more wonderful recipes. Until then, this is Sapna, your host, signing off. Bye-bye.
Love for Food with Radio 4, brought to you by Danube in association with Le Méridien Dubai, Sanford and Swiss Arabia.